Hello, I'm Mai, and welcome to my mellow life. In this video, I will just shortly show you how to add your Tiltify fundraising extension to your Twitch About section, which is this panel right here. So you go to, click on your face on your top right, go to Creator Dashboard, Extensions. You write in Tiltify. You add your extension. On my extension site, it's going to be in installed. You activate it. I'm just pretending that this is Tiltify fundraising extension. You activate it and you set it as a panel. You choose whichever panel you want. You go to your Twitch channel, About section, Edit panels, and it should show up in your About section. You configure it, you log in, choose your campaign, activate it. That's it. That's all you have to do. And it should show up. They can either donate through using this panel, or you can also make another custom panel. I made a custom panel that could take them to the Tiltify page. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.